Are you looking for the best rice cookers for brown rice? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best rice cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Zojirushi NS-ZCC18. Our editor's choice is the 10-cup advanced product that incorporates neuro-fuzzy logic technology that uses a microcomputer to automatically adjust the cooking time and temperature to match the rice you are making for optimal results. The Zojirushi NS-ZCC18 comes with built-in programs for white rice, regular/sushi, softer or harder, mixed, porridge, sweet, semi-brown, brown, rinse-free, and quick cooking. It also has settings for automatic keep warm, extended keep warm and reheat cycles, and a colored LCD control panel that includes a clock and a timer with 2 functions. The 1000-watt cooker that has been certified by CET-LUS for energy efficiency comes with a built-in retractable power cord, which is convenient when operating or storing this unit. Customers also appreciate the ease of cleaning facilitated by a detachable inner lid, and the cool handles on the side that make it easy to move the spherical, non-stick inner pan. Reported complaints include condensation that spills out when you open the lid and the relatively high pricing, although customers admit it is worth the money. You can also opt for the 5.5 cup capacity model if your rice demand is low. At number 2. Aroma ARC-150SB. We chose this BPA-free cooker as our budget pick due to its affordability, but there is a lot more to this unit that makes it a contender for the best brown rice cooker in the market. The Aroma ARC-150SB has a high capacity of 10 cups and pre-programmed settings for white rice, brown rice, flash rice, slow cook, and steaming of meat and vegetables. Other notable features are the stainless steel body that retains heat well and makes this model a durable product, digital controls that are easy to operate, and removable parts that make cleaning a breeze, although some buyers find the non-removable lid inconvenient. Some also noted that the rice dries out or turns brown if left on keep warm for a longer period. Accessories included are a steam tray, a measuring cup, rice spatula, and a soup spoon. At number 3. Tiger JBV-A10UW. The Tiger JBV-A10UW stands out in particular as one of the best small rice cookers for brown rice because of its to-cook synchronized cooking function that allows you to prepare a main dish and rice at the same time. There are also 3 other built-in settings for plain rice, brown rice, and slow cooking. Place the cooking plate above the inner pot with up to 5.5 cups of rice and press the start button to make both meals simultaneously. For higher capacity, you can buy the 10-cup model by the same company. The BPA-free cooking plate of the Tiger JBV-A10UW is designed in a unique way to prevent interfering with the texture of the rice or transfer of flavor from the plate to the rice. A number of customers have complained about the pot peeling and the cooker's malfunctioning after a while. Otherwise, the majority of owners like the synchronized cooking, simplicity in operation, the non-stick spatula, cooking plate, measuring cup and cookbook that come with this product. At number 4. Panasonic SR-DF101. The rice cooker's automatic shutoff function prevents overcooking, and its handy keep warm setting activates when cooking is complete, holding contents at ideal serving temperature for up to 12 hours. In addition to the convenience provided by computerized rice cookers with preset settings that automatically adjust the cooking time and temperature to ensure even cooking and precise results, models such as the Panasonic SR-DF101 that utilize advanced fuzzy logic technology automatically shut off to prevent overcooking and to preserve energy. It comes with built-in programs for cooking white rice, porridge, soup and brown rice, quick cooking and steaming. These touch-and-go settings are complemented by extra accessories like the measuring cup, rice scoop, and the steaming basket that come with this cooker, making this product one of the best small rice cookers for brown rice, with a capacity of 5 cups. We like the domed design of the lid that prevents the buildup of condensate, although it can be hard to clean since it is not detachable. At number 5. Cuisinart -800 Costa Rican Colones. Many buyers love the Cuisinart -800 Costa Rican Colones because of its construction. What you will first notice is the sturdiness and efficiency that has been implemented in its design. The exterior is made of brushed stainless steel. There are also stainless steel steaming basket, anodized aluminum bowl with non-stick coating, chrome-plated handles that remain cool to touch, a glass lid with a stainless rim, a chrome knob and a steam vent to prevent splattering. There is a built-in tray for steaming other dishes and rice simultaneously, and a retractable cord that saves some space. You can steam vegetables and lean cuts of meat, make 8 to 15 cups of cooked rice, or cook couscous, polenta, oatmeal, boiled eggs and shrimp. The product features automatic keep warm function, 2 LED notification lights, and a lever to switch on the unit. This is what makes this model popular and high-performing despite lacking preset cooking programs. All the removable components are also dishwasher safe. It comes with a paddle and a plastic measuring cup for correct portions, as well as a gourmet recipe booklet. A 4-cup capacity model is also available.